Welcome to another awesome episode of J&B Tuning, guys. In today's episode, we are going to work on the Jetta this time. As you can see, guys, here I got my Audi rims, my peelers rims for MK6 Jetta, and I'm going to be installing it today, guys. And yeah, I'll be tagging you guys along for the ride. I have lots of things today to work on. I'll be basically jumping from possibly the Golf R here and the garage here and the whole 9 yards. So stay tuned, guys, and enjoy the ride.
Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity. Taking over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love. Can you feel me? Ooh, can you feel me?
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want now. This ain't what you want. Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a scotch bunny. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Well, folks, that's pretty much done. And so technically here, I'm just gonna torque it up to 88.5 pound torque, and yeah, we go from there.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a
Well, it's all torqued up now, and pretty much here, guys, I'm gonna take it out for a spin here, and just to test it out for a drive. And so yeah. Well, it's done, guys. So basically here, everything's stored, and I'm gonna take it out for a spin and test it out. As you guys notice, I have taken each wheel well and actually sprayed the wheel wells pretty nicely to make sure all of our, our winter gunks and salt and everything has been sprayed out of there. So at least it's nice and clean. It's now all ready for our summer. So yeah, it'd be awesome.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top.
Feels pretty good, guys. Yeah, it drives really nicely, so no problems there. The wife just came home, so well, folks, I still have tons of work to take care of here, and definitely, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I wasn't really able to do the rest of the stuff that I need to do today, but other than that, basically, I'm gonna wash this and put them away for the summer, the winter tires, that is. And anyways, guys, if you haven't done so, please do subscribe and also press that bell button so that way you can actually get all the notifications that of the new videos.
I move, it was predicted, persistent, spoken into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap when I be speaking this.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.